Guess how many calories is in this portion of fried plantain?
My sister, who asked you? Who asked you? Nobody. It's like you woke up and you said, what can I do to Africans, Caribbean people, Hispanic people? What can I do to take away their joy this morning? That is, I want them to lament. That's what you said. Did you know that fried plantain has over 1,000 calories? Okay, we didn't know. We didn't know it. So then what do you want us to do now? So we should start frying stone. Why are you people so against happiness? That is, you choose to be an enemy of plantain for what? Our sweet beloved plantain that does not disturb anybody. If you don't know how to fry plantain, my sister just said that. Oh, no need to be cutting corners. It's better than saying such hateful and wicked things from your heart. If you don't want to eat fried plantain, that is if you want to reject the blessings of God. My sister, nobody is forcing you. Take your unhappiness and go. But please leave plantain for us. Okay? You can never take my joy.
Well, let her begin counting calories because I've compiled pictures from Jamaica, Trinidad, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Dominica. Let's see, Trinidad, Nigeria, Ghana, Ecuador, Peru, Colombia, India. Listen, there's some plantain is so versatile. You can cook it, you can have it raw, you can eat it like a banana. Count her calories all she want. Baby, South America, they smother that baby with cheese. Yeah, and some pork. Yes, Lord, and some fish, or some chicken, or some eggs. Yes, 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 plantain. We love it across the globe. The names of plantain dishes are unbelievably diverse. Farfoa, in fufu, kelewele, bolon, boyo, mofongo, tortilla. They're in cakes and breads and sweetnesses and delicacies. Plantain can done. Our sweet, sweet plantain. Ay, Maduro. Yo no quiero. Ay, tostones. Ay, a sweet, sweet plantain.